Hello. Today we see the third lesson. Sorry. Today we see the fourth lesson. The topic will be algorithmic strategies. Algorithmic strategies. If you refer the page number 31 to 42, you will learn the following topic here. Introduction to algorithmic strategies, complexity of an algorithm, efficiency of an algorithm, algorithm for searching technique, sorting technique, dynamic programming. Okay, now we deal with one by one. What is algorithm? An algorithm is a finite set of instructions to accomplish a particular task. Algorithm can be developed to store, manipulate, and retrieve data from such data structure. Examples for data structure are array, structure, list, tuple, dictionary. In this topic algorithm, we learn first year. The same topic we see this. Okay. Then in this example for data structure, array, structure, list, tuple, dictionary, we deal in 9th lesson elaborately in Python lesson. Okay, the next topic, algorithmic strategy. In this topic, we deal with 5 topics: search, sort, insert, update, delete. Search, to search an item. Sort, to sort item in a certain order. Insert, to insert an item. Update, to update an existing item. Delete, to delete an existing item. You refer your book elaborately. Then who found the algorithm founder? Algorithm founder, who found it? Persian author, mathematics, in the year C 825 AD CE. His name is Adu Jafar Muhammad ibn Musha. The word algorithm has come to refer to a method to solve a problem. Do you know very well how to deal with algorithm in first year? The same method can be followed here also. And the next topic, characteristics of an algorithm. 11 topic we deal: input, output, fitness, definiteness, effectiveness, correctness, simplicity, unambiguous, feasibility, portable, independent. The elaborate topic will be just go through your book. And then comparison of algorithm and a program. The comparison of algorithm and program, the main difference between algorithm and program can be given in your book. For a short time, you refer the book also. This topic, book also. Then complexity of an algorithm. In this topic, two main features we deal with. First one, time feature. Second one, space feature. Time factor means it is measured by counting the number of key operations like comparison in the sorting algorithm. If you sort an algorithm, the time consist can be taken. Second one, space factor. It is measured by the maximum memory space required by an algorithm. So you know very well memory. It means computer memory, KB. It should be measured in KB. We deal with the space factor. Main two factor are first one time, second one space. Then method for determining efficiency. If you do algorithm, some of the determining efficiency can be deal with the following 5 topics. Speed of the machine. For example, if you apply laptop as P5, it should be very speed. Compiler and other system software tool. Compiler means what? If you apply the Dev C++ program, you apply the compiler. Compiler means compile source program into object program. We learn in the first year the same process. And other operating software, it means operation software tool we deal with. Simply we say software. In first year software you learn Dev C++. This year you learn Python. Next fifth chapter we deal with onwards, go through the Python. And then operating system, very familiar one. Do you know in first year Windows XP operating system can be operated in our lab. And then programming language, once again. Programming language means first year you learn software, Dev C++ programming. Second year you deal with Python programming. This is the programming language. And then volume of data required. It means if you do one work, if you do solve a problem, you select the data as input data, output data, calculation part. It should be given as data required. Okay. Then important 3 more question. What is assembling notation? Assembling notation or language that uses meaningful statement about time and space complexity. It has the 3 notation big. Big means worst case, big omega, best case, big average, third case. You refer the book simply. And then search, binary. Binary search. Binary means 0, 1. Binary search also called as half interval search algorithm. It means divided by 2. It finds the position of a search element within a sorted array. The binary search formula is middle value equal to number of elements in array divided by 2. This is the simple concept for binary searches. Elaborately illustration pseudocode should be given in your book. You refer the book also. The sorting technique. It's a very important 5 mark question. First one, bubble sort algorithm. Second one, selection sort. Third one, insertion sort. First one, bubble sort algorithm. It's a 5 mark question to you. Bubble sort algorithm is a comparison sort. Is named for the way smaller elements bubble to the top of the list. If you refer in your book bubble sort, they give the proper algorithm. Elaborately you read. And then selection sort. This algorithm repeatedly select the text smallest element and swap in to the right place for the every pass. It's a second part, selection sort. This also can be pseudocode and some examples to you. Example in your book thoroughly you read. And then insertion sort. This algorithm build the final sorted array at the end. It means if we consider the example n minus 1 time, you have to insert some example pseudocode can be given. You also refer the book. And then dynamic programming. What is dynamic programming? Dynamic programming approaches is similar to divide and conquer. This given problem is divided into smaller and yet smaller possible subprograms. Suppose if you do quadratic equation, the quadratic equation can be subdivided into subproblem. It means real roots, imaginary roots, like this. And then steps to do dynamic programming. 3 steps we follow. First step, the given problem will be divided into small overlapping subproblems. Once again I repeat, quadratic equation, it have the subproblem. An optimum solution for the given problem can be achieved by using result of smaller subprogram the same. Dynamic algorithm used memorization. What is memorization? The memorization, the same meaning, is an automation of technique used primarily to step up computer program. Automation technique means if here we follow this some technique, it should be given. Then evaluation we see later. Okay, thank you.